Okay, so I've got everything unpacked and I'm going to assemble the drum kit. I haven't even looked at the instructions, but it's pretty basic. You just have a bunch of poles, stick them together. One thing you might want to know is there's like this clear plastic wrap on the pipes that I didn't notice until it started making this really obnoxious squeaking noise. So you gotta get rid of that before you start to assemble. There we've got the bass, and then the drum pads. I think I'll just pop this on. Got it uneven. There we go. And that's basically all there is to it. Oh, put the foot pedal in. Let's see. Where does this plug into? Aha. Right there. Okay, I guess not. Oh, I think it plugs into the back. And then, I guess that's it. Foot pedal, different drums, and of course the drumsticks.